that, everybody, is the short little teaser of the Flat 4 experience with the Subaru WRX perfected. We were really happy with all of the developments that went underway here at our facility in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. That titanium exhaust really cranks up the volume and really cranks up the experience to 11. If you're interested in getting one of these exhaust systems, either stainless or titanium, for your Subaru WRX, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. At the time of you watching this video, either it's going to be waitlisted, where you can plug in your information, your email, and your name, and you'll get dibs at the first systems that are on our shelves, or they're gonna be on our shelves, ready to rock at your door within 2 to 4 business days. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the sound improvement processes on all of these JDM cars. You guys saw the other day we did the 400Z, now we got the Subaru WRX on lock with that Valvetronic sauce. Stay tuned for the next projects, and we'll catch you guys in the next sound improvement video. Take care.